Hi everyone, it's Cindy from Cindy M's Crochet Corner. Hope you're doing well today. I'm going to make a couple of hearts for Valentine's Day. As you can see, they're really cute and they don't take very long to make, so as you can see, you can use any material you like. I really like this velvet finish. So pick a couple of yarns that you like and we'll get started. The first one I'm going to make is with this beautiful sort of a frosty material, and I'm going to use a 4mm hook, and I've also got a 6mm which we will use later because I want to do another material, t-shirt material one as well. So let's have a bit of fun. It won't take you too long. You can definitely push out about 50 of these if you want in a day, and you can put a magnet on the back, stick them on the fridge, you can put a little tie, you can make a keychain, you can do lots of different things with these. So all you need to start with is a magic ring. So double it over your fingers there, pull through and twist. Grab it with your fingers there. Do 2 chain just to lock it in. And then we're going to do 3 double crochet into the magic ring to start with. And then we're going to do 3 half double crochet into the magic ring. Just pull your yarn a little bit. So 3 half double. And 1 chain to finish the side. And that is one side done already, as you can see there. So on the second side we're going to mimic the first. So we do 3 half double crochet and then 3 double crochet, all in the magic ring, just there. So 3 double, and then we'll finish off by doing 2 chain and a slip stitch back into the center. So slip stitch into the center, pull through, tighten it up and cut your yarn. Leave yourself as much as you need. If you want to tie it around something, leave a bit of a length. I'm just going to cut it short. Now the next step, which I suggest you do if you want to make it look really nice here, is to feed your hook through the loop that you originally had and pull it through the center of the magic ring all the way. Come through the back and then just do another slip stitch to fasten off. Okay, so now pull that nice and tight and then pull the center ring, the magic ring, nice and tight. And there you have your first little heart. And it only took around 2 minutes. I would now tie the back off. Just tie a couple of little ties there. Trim it up, pop a magnet on, or tie it around, whatever you want to tie it around. going to trim that off, and we are done. And there you have it. Want to see it again? Let's do it again. This time I'm going to do it with a t-shirt material, and I'll change up the hook. I like to use about a 6mm hook on this one, as it makes life a lot easier. Start with your magic ring by going over your fingers twice, hold it at the back, pop your hook through, pull through and twist. Pinch it with your fingers there and do 2 chain. And that's like the top of one side of your heart. 3 double crochet, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2, 1 more. This is a bit more stretchy, so just pull it around as you go. 3 half double crochet, pull through 3, pull through 3, and again. And the next step here to finish that side is to do a single crochet, or just a chain, and then we do the other side exactly the same. So we do 3 half double crochets and 3 double crochets. I'll just pull it around, and then we do 3 double crochets like that. 1 more, and then we do 2 chain to finish it off to match the other side. Alright, feed it through the center, do your slip stitch, pull it tight, and again cut your length wherever you'd like. I'm going to cut it there, and feed this through the back, go through the middle, pull it through, and just to lock it in place, and just pull it around, pull it tight, pull it around, pull it through, and there you have another little heart. And always just on the back there I would do the little tie the back here just to secure it. Make sure you pull the center nice and tight, and 1 more. And that would be pretty cool. You could tie that around anything you like, a gift, that sort of thing. It's up to you. All right, nice and quick. So I hope you liked this very quick little tutorial on how to make a heart. Now you can make these any size you like, just use your hook size and the material that you're using. You can change it up to any size, and you can keep going if you wanted to make this into a granny square. Just start adding around it, and I'll show you that in another tutorial. But for now, enjoy making little hearts, and I will see you on the next tutorial. Like and subscribe. Have a fantastic day.